Welcome back. In today's lecture 22, we will discuss a wonderful case study, ChatGPT use in construction project management. We will dive into a fascinating case study on how ChatGPT can be used to manage documentation, communication in this construction project. We will explore the specific roles ChatGPT played, the challenges encountered, and the outcomes achieved. The case study will provide valuable insights in the practical applications of AI in construction project management. So don't waste any time here. Let's explore in our next case study discussion. Thanks everyone. Welcome back. Let's continue discuss lecture 22, case study 3, ChatGPT in construction project management. So we will cover overview of ChatGPT's role in handling documentation and communication in a construction project, key objectives, processes, and outcomes, insights into how AI can enhance construction project management. So let's start with an overview of the project. This was a commercial building construction project for a real estate development firm. The objective was to construct a 10-story office building within a 12-month time frame. The project involved a diverse team, including a project manager, architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors. The goal was not only to complete the project on time, but also ensure that it met high standards of quality and safety. ChatGPT was integrated into the project to streamline documentation and improve communication among all stakeholders. The role of ChatGPT here in the project management, like documentation management, it is automated the generation, organization, and updating of the project documentation, which is a typically time-consuming task in construction projects. Communication support, ChatGPT facilitate clear and consistent communication among all stakeholders by generating meeting agendas, minutes, and project updates. Progress tracking, as the AI help track project milestones and deadlines, ensuring that the team stayed on schedule. Issue resolution, ChatGPT provided quick answers and solutions to project-related queries, helping to resolve issues promptly. Integrating ChatGPT into construction project. Let's discuss how integrating ChatGPT in the construction process was strategic and focused on enhancing efficiency, like document automation. ChatGPT automated the creation of standard documents such as contract, progress reports, and safety checklists, and significantly reducing the time spent on this task. Real-time communication supported real-time updates and queries among team members. Scheduling and tracking. ChatGPT helped maintain the project schedule, tracking progress against key milestones and alerting the team to any delays. For example, the AI could be prompted with something like generate a weekly progress report for the construction of a 10-story office building. So it will produce a comprehensive ready for distribution. Let's explore this prompt in our ChatGPT window. The prompt here shows weekly report, how it can be done. It is generating executive summary completed this week, work in progress. When this report is generating, let's explore what the prompt I am giving so that it can give you a comprehensive idea. Let's discuss this part. Case study 3, like project type, already we mentioned commercial building construction. Client, a real estate development firm, duration 12 months, team composition, project manager, architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors. Objective: successfully manage the construction, ensuring timely completion and adherence to quality standards. So changes in commercial building construction, managing a 10-story office building construction within 12 months. Some challenges they clearly mention ChatGPT, like tight schedule. The project must be completed on time to avoid financial penalties. I am not giving details here, but the following points are mentioning, like coordination across disciplines, collaboration skill is needed, quality assurance, cost management, compliance with regulations. So in this case, how ChatGPT can be helpful, like automated documentation and quality monitoring. What we're mentioning here, like report generation. So daily site reports, progress updates, meeting summaries, it can be used easily. This reduces the burden on the project manager and allowed the team to focus on the critical decision making. Then quality control checklists. Then next part is real-time communication and coordination. So streamline communication, multilingual support, risk mitigation and problem solving, risk alerts, right? ChatGPT was programmed to monitor project data like weather forecast, supply chain issue, and predict potential risk. For example, if weather conditions were likely to delay concrete work, ChatGPT alerted the project manager in advance, allowing for schedule adjustments. Then problem-solving support, cost and resource management, budget tracking, resource allocation, compliance and safety monitoring, regulatory compliance, safety protocols. So, example scenario like a mid-project risk can be avoidance. At the 6-month mark, the project team faced an unexpected issue, a delay in receiving structural steel due to disruption in the supply chain. So ChatGPT analyzed the impact of the delay on the project schedule and recommended several mitigation strategies like alternative supply recommendation, schedule adjustment, communication management. As a result, the project avoided significant delay and continued progressing smoothly. Outcomes: timely completion, improved quality control, enhanced collaboration, and cost management, regulatory compliance, and study safety and conclusion. So the integration of ChatGPT into this 12-month commercial building project provided the project team with the tools they needed to manage the construction efficiently by automatic documentation, enhancing communication, improving quality control, and managing risk. ChatGPT provided to be an invaluable asset in ensuring the successful and timely completion of the 10-story office building. So this outcome we have seen, and whatever report we earlier requested, so it generates a good report, what you are currently checking in the screen. Work in progress, upcoming work next week, project schedule status, that like it mentioned 65% complete, resource allocation, risk and issues, budget status, action items, conclusion. So it is generate a good report. Next we will discuss the other parts. Let's continue the discussion here. Let's discuss documentation management with ChatGPT. So standard document templates, like ChatGPT created templates for contracts, project plans, and safety documents. Automated reporting, like generated progress reports, inspection logs, and compliance documents. Version control, managed document versions will be ensured to the latest information was accessible to all stakeholders. So the example what we see here, like the produce detailed progress report that were automatically distributed to the project team. Enhancing communication with ChatGPT. So communication is vital in any construction project, and ChatGPT played a key role in enhancing by generating meeting agendas, generated structured agendas for project meetings, ensuring all critical points were covered, minutes and summaries, automated the recording and distribution of meeting minutes, stakeholder updates, created regular updates for stakeholders, summarizing project status and any issues. For example, ChatGPT prepared and circulated the minutes of weekly coordination meetings, highlighting key decisions and action items. Progress tracking and issue resolution. So progress tracking and issue resolution are critical in construction projects, and ChatGPT was instrumental in these areas, like milestone tracking. So help monitor the achievement of project milestone, alerting the team for any delays. Issue logs. ChatGPT maintain a log of issues and their resolution status. Quickly query response. It provided instant answers to project-related queries such as material specification or schedule changes, helping the team make informed decisions quickly. For instance, when there is a potential delay in delivery of materials, ChatGPT alerted the project manager, who was then able to take immediate action to mitigate the impact. Real-time update and reporting. So real-time updates and reporting were another area where ChatGPT added value. Like live updates, facilitate real-time updates on project progress, enabling the project team to make quick decisions based on current information. Automated reports. The AI generated daily and weekly reports on construction activities, resource usage, and budget status, ensuring that the project was on track. Customer reports. These reports could be customized to meet the specific needs of the stakeholders, providing relevant information in a format that was easy to understand. For example, ChatGPT generated a real-time budget report that highlighted cost overruns and suggested relocation resources to keep the project within budget. Outcomes and results. The use of ChatGPT construction project led to several positive outcomes. Improve efficiency, documentation and communication tasks were completed like 40% faster, enhanced communication, clearer and more consistent communication among all project stakeholders, reducing misunderstandings and errors. On-time delivery. The project was completed on schedule thanks to timely identification and resolution of issues. Quality assurance. Regular and accurate reporting contributed to maintaining high construction standards throughout the project. Let's discuss some challenges along the way. Like the main challenges is integration with existing systems. So there were initial challenges in integrating ChatGPT with the existing project management tools, which required some adjustments. Training requirements. Team members needed training to effectively use AI tools, which took time and resources. Human oversight. Continuous human oversight was necessary to ensure the accuracy of AI-generated document and communications, highlighting the importance of human involvement in AI-driven processes. The key lesson here is that successful integration of AI requires careful planning, training, and ongoing support to fully realize its benefit. Here, the AI in construction. ChatGPT proved to be a valuable tool in managing construction project documentation and communication. Efficiency gains, significant time savings in document management and communication tasks. Enhanced collaboration, improved collaboration and decision making through real-time updates and automated reports. Future potential. AI has the potential to further streamline the construction project management, particularly in large and complex projects. So what are the key takeaways from this case study? First, AI tools like ChatGPT can significantly enhance the efficiency of documentation and communication in construction projects. Second, while AI can automate many tasks, human oversight and involvement remain crucial to ensure accuracy and effectiveness. And finally, the successful use of AI in projects suggests that there are great potential for further applications in construction management, particularly in larger and more complex projects. In conclusion, this case study demonstrates how ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in managing construction projects, particularly documentation and communication. By streamlining these processes, AI not only improves efficiency, but also enhances collaboration and project outcomes. As AI continues to evolve, exploring its applications in construction management can lead to even greater efficiencies and successes.